The method that cannot be used for removing permanent hardness of water is adding sodium carbonate, distillation, adding caustic soda, boiling. Option D is correct, boiling. The molecule which has the highest percentage of ionic character among the following is hydrogen iodide, hydrogen fluoride, hydrogen chloride, hydrogen bromide. Option B is correct, hydrogen fluoride. The ionization energy of hydrogen atom in the ground state is x kilojoule. The energy required for an electron to jump from second orbit to third orbit is 5x divided by 36, 5x 7.2x, x by 6. Option A is correct, 5x divided by 36. The mineral containing both magnesium and calcium is magnesite, calcite, carnallite, dolomite. Option D is correct, dolomite. Lime is sometimes applied to soil in order to increase the alkalinity of the soil, increase the acidity of the soil, restore nitrate to the soil, make the soil more porous. Option A is correct, increase the alkalinity of the soil. Which of the following chemical is useful in photography? Aluminum hydroxide, potassium nitrate, silver bromide, sodium chloride. Option C, silver bromide is correct. Water is a good solvent of ionic salts because it has a high boiling point, it has a high dipole moment, it has a high specific heat, it has no color. Option B is correct, it has a high dipole moment. What does happen when water is condensed into ice? Heat is absorbed, heat is released, quantity of heat remains unchanged, none of these. Option A is correct, heat is absorbed. The air we inhale is mixture of gases. Which of the following gases in the mixture is highest in the percentage? Carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen, ozone. Option D is correct, nitrogen. The chief constituent of gobar cow dung gas is ethane, methane, hydrogen, carbon dioxide. Option B is correct, methane. The reaction which converts sugar solution into alcohol is an example of saponification, hydrogenation, fermentation, hydrolysis. Option C, fermentation. In which of the following pairs the two substances forming the pair are chemically most dissimilar? Sugar and pepper, butter and paraffin wax, chalk and marble, charcoal and diamond. Option B, butter and paraffin wax is correct. The high reactivity of fluorine is due to its high electronegativity, small size of fluorine atom, availability of d orbitals, strong fluorine-fluorine bond. Option A, its high electronegativity is correct. The metal does not give H2 on treatment with dilute HCl is zinc, iron, silver, calcium. Option C, silver is correct. The maximum number of isomers for an alkene with molecular formula C4H8 is 5, 4, 2, 3. Option B is correct, 4. The human body is made up of several chemical elements. The element present in the highest proportion, 65% in the body is carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen. Option C, oxygen is correct. The number of atoms present in 21.6 gram of silver atomic weight is equal to 108 are same as the molecules in 1.8 gram of water, 12 moles of potassium permanganate, 0.6 normal H2SO4, 4.6 gram of C2H5OH. Option B, 12 moles of KMnO4 is correct. Main source of chemicals which are used in industry is coke, peat, coal tar, liquefied petroleum gas. Correct option is option C, coal tar. Photooxidation is photorespiration, photolysis, light and oxygen induced breakdown, all of the above. Correct option is option D, all of the above. Which of the following gases is not a noble gas? Xenon, argon, helium, chlorine. Correct option, option D, chlorine. Liquid transmits pressure equally in all directions. This is known as Pascal's law, Archimedes' principle, none of the above. Correct option is option B, Pascal's law. Soil is spawned from the parent rock material by chemical decomposition, physical decomposition, biological decomposition, all of the above. Correct option is option D, all of the above. The exhaled air contains carbon dioxide only, a mixture which has more carbon dioxide than oxygen, a mixture of carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and oxygen in which nitrogen has the highest percentage. A mixture of carbon dioxide and nitrogen. Correct option is option C, a mixture of carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and oxygen in which nitrogen has the highest percentage. The refrigerant commonly used for domestic refrigerator is alcohol, ammonia, neon, none of the above. Correct option is option B, ammonia. RDX is an instrument to measure blood pressure, a gene, a chemical used in the manufacture of fertilizer, and explosive. Correct option, option D, an explosive. Oxygen released in the process of photosynthesis comes from carbon dioxide, water, sugar, pyruvic acid. Correct option, option B, water. Which of the following diffuses most quickly? Solid, gas, liquid, none of the above these. Correct option, option B,